Hey students, Armando here, and I'm going to walk you through your CLC project, the Vision and Mission Statement Analysis. This is going to be a little bit of a quicker video because by now you should have a pretty good grasp on APA and formatting, but I want to show you specifically about this CLC and why you need to make sure that your assignment with your group, that everyone was required to complete a portion of it, looks similar to this because again, not only does it require substantial research, but again, every content section should have supporting claims as well. And I'm going to walk you through that. So again, I'm not going to spend a lot of time here, but this is a perfect APA title page. We see our main title, bold and black. We see that space that's required between the title and then the names of the students that participated. Again, for these students' protection, I have deleted the last name. So your names would go here. No matter if you have 2 or 5 students, they would all go here. Then we've got the university, the course, my name, and of course your date would be updated based on the assignment due date for you whenever you are watching this video. So again, this is where I'm going to have you focus. Your paper, if it looks just like this or pretty close to it, especially with the formatting, the headers, page numbers, and so forth, when you submit your paper, then you know that that portion of your paper is going to do very, very well. All you need to worry about is content and research. So again, if you are receiving your classmate's paper because maybe you are the one reviewing it, make sure that you are reviewing it before you submit because the whole team will be held responsible for this assignment. Okay, so again, we've got a nice APA bold header here. Again, look how along the way we are seeing these in-text citations giving credit. Okay, having paragraphs without in-text citations is going to violate both plagiarism and APA rules. So make sure that as a group, you are policing each other and you're making sure that everyone is doing their part. I'll only mention this one more time, but again, page numbers in every upper right-hand corner. So again, we've established here now that this group is going to go ahead and obviously compare vision and statement analysis, and then they're going to focus it on right here, Starbucks and McDonald's, right? So that lets me know as the reader where they're going with their paper. So here is the Starbucks vision and mission. Again, we begin to see more in-text citations as they construct their paper and basically manage their assignment. Now we go into the McDonald's vision and mission section. Again, nice content section here. We have one in-text citation here, a second one here, giving credit to part of their research. Now they're going into the comparison of the vision and mission statements. Again, do not forget, these sections are all located in your rubric of the assignment so you can follow along as well. So again, we have a nice APA bold header here. This is the main focus of this section, and we see some in-text citations along the way as they are writing their content. Again, we've got more content here coming up. We've got another in-text citation here that started here. And again, good writing, good in-text citation, avoiding any issues with plagiarism. Now they go into the apparent servant leadership principles that they found in their research. Again, whole bunch of in-text citing. You can even see the value of in-text citing every 2 to 3 sentences. You cannot go wrong by doing that versus having none or one for your whole paper. And that's where some students seem to be getting in trouble as they're writing their papers. They just slap 2 or 3 references on a reference page and are not citing along the way. So again, solid content section here. Again, this paper was a long word count as well. Then you can see here another APA main header. Now they're talking about the manifestation of principles and values in vision statements. Again, we have a lot more in-text citing along the way. Now they're going into the principles and the values of both organizations that they studied. So again, solid content going all the way down, nice format along the left-hand side of the edge, just strong data that this group took when it came to their analysis. There's another use of in-text citation there. And again, as we go down and we start nearing the end, again, another strong APA header here. the standard leadership model to adapt to servant leadership. And again, we can begin to see strong content, writing down their research. Again, another in-text citation at the end, as the assignment calls for, that every content section will have supporting claims. Then they go into the treatment of employees and clients. Again, more use of in-text citations. Now they're going into the Christian world perspective that they took from this assignment. And then, as all good papers do, like every good book has, you have a nice conclusion, kind of bringing it home. And then you've got your reference page. Again, noting the reference page, centered, bold black, has the page number. And then again, everything's off to the left in alphabetical order. And again, lines 2 and beyond would be 6 spaces over, starting like it did here, and then going in that direction. If you have multiple lines for a reference, like we do here in this one, the Dockery, then lines 2 and 3 start 6 spaces over, and they both went in that direction. So this should give you a little clarity as how your paper should look. So I would encourage you to continue watching this video, and if needed, right, go back and replay this video several times so you can take a look at the format. You can even maybe get some ideas from this assignment, right? And then that way you can make it your own for whatever organizations that you and your group decided to analyze. Okay, so I hope this video gave you some value. If it did, you can definitely hit the like button for me. And again, I just keep reminding students that is so important, because the way that YouTube and the algorithms work, it'll give the opportunity for other students, whether they're at GCU or other universities, maybe to get some ideas from watching these sample paper videos. Maybe they struggle with APA as well. And so this video can give them some clarity. So again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you inside our course of servant leadership.